Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in because everyone's situation is different from others. So let's see what are the messages for you Pisces and what's going on. Okay. Pisces, it's your reading and it's your card. What's going Pisces? So under the deck, 7 of Pentacles with the Fool and 5 of Pentacles. You are very hurt right now. You're feeling neglected and you keep waiting on something or someone. You're still waiting on someone. For some, you invested money in some business and waiting for the result in career wise, but in relationship wise, you are waiting on something or someone. And the Fool, you want to be in this energy, but you are right now in this energy. Yes, you're feeling neglected, you're feeling someone is cold shouldering you, someone may be treating you as an option. So let's see your reading. Recent past, King of Swords, 8 of Wands and the World. For some, you both live in different cities, countries or states, long distance relationship. I think in past there was some communication happened between you and your person. You gave them clarity. Yes, you are very straightforward and very honest. You gave them clarity and some cycles are ended between you and your person. For some, new cycles are going to be begin. Then present, 7 of Wands, 2 of Wands and 5 of Swords. Right now you are very defensive. There are some disturbances, some arguments or some fightings between you and your person. 5 of Swords energy. Maybe you are the other person backstabbing or cheated, lying, involved in this connection. Maybe you cheated on them or they cheated on you, but you are thinking about them a lot, and you are very defensive right now. You are not going to make any move, but you are very defensive. Then future, 10 of Cups, the Tower and the Moon. You are going through a tower moment in future, you will going through, and 10 of Cups. So you want this happiness from your person, but it is not happening Pisces. So that's why sometimes you feeling like that when you are thinking about that person, it is tower moment for you. When you memorizing all the best moments with your person, then you started feeling sad and started feeling, I think when you thinking about that person, you're becoming very sad because you are missing them, because it is a tower moment for you without that person. And yes, there are some issues, illusions between you and your person. And the person involved in this connection could be another Pisces or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then you will get more clarity, Pisces. So under the deck, 5 of Cups. They are also missing you. You also missing them and they also missing you. They are also suffering in silence. Yeah, Justice, and the person involved in this connection could be Libra and Knight of Wands. This person is very, very attracted to you. They're still attracted to you. So let's see their current feelings. Pisces. Hangman. Page of Cups, Nine of Swords. They are stuck on you, Pisces. Literally, they are stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot. I think you both are missing and thinking about each other a lot. Because the Hangman and Nine of Swords, when they are alone, especially, they're getting a lot of thoughts regarding you. They're missing you so much. They are in depression and anxiety type of energy, and children's also involved in this connection. They're thinking about to text you or message you. And Seven of Cups, yeah, they're fantasizing about you. They're in some confusion. So let's see their intentions. Strong soulmate connection. Wow. Pisces, this person have so much love for you, and they are stuck. That's why I'm not seeing any action, because they're thinking about you day and night. And Queen of Cups, they are in love with you. So much love they have for you. And Three of Swords, literally they are missing Nine of Swords energy and Three of Swords energy. They are in pain without you. They're daily missing you. They're 24/7 missing you, and they're stuck. Yeah, they are not willing to talk right now, because right now they're missing you, suffering in silence. They're thinking about you a lot, but they're at the same time they're feeling stuck. But they're thinking about to communicate with you. Again, they withdraw that thinking, because they're unable to make any move. Right now they're feeling stuck. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, the person involved in this connection could be. Yeah, they're holding back because they don't want to express their love to you, because they're feeling stuck. And lovers, definitely love is there. And the Tower, yes, your person literally going through Tower moment right now. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. You both have a lot of passion towards each other. Two cards. Again, two cards. Ace of Swords with Death. And Empress. For some, it is one type of ending between you and your person. Maybe for some you decided to cut off this person from your life, Ace of Swords. Maybe for some you want clarity from your person and there is no clarity. And the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. But you are working on yourself. You are taking your control back. Empress energy. You will be in. So let's see mutual. Yeah. Temperance, patience is the key. And you both have, and this connection is in right now in very slow moving energy. And the person involved in this connection could be Cancer or Sagittarius especially. Yeah, you both have romantic feelings and you both have so much love for each other, but patience is the key. Divine timing and patience is the key. So let's see some messages from your person and Pisces. Finances and career. Third party involved. Here third party means family, friends, or it could be anything, not only man and woman. Passion. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. I feel so alone, religious factors. So the messages are finances and career, third party involved, long distance relationship, passion, and they feel so alone. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Okay, your hard work is paying off. New moon in Capricorn, Capricorn energy. A time to give rather than take, new moon in Virgo, and Virgo energy. So you are doing continuously hard work for your goals. Definitely your hard work will pay off, especially when you moon in Capricorn, and a time to give rather than take. The message for particularly one person in this connection who is always taking, not giving in return. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.